Hello, in this tutorial we will learn how to create reports in COMSOL Multiphysics. So here I have an example file open. To create a report of your simulation, you have to go on to the results tab and then we have to come to reports. When you click on reports, you have few options: brief report, intermediate, complete, custom, and from templates. You can create your custom report depending on the type of report you want to create, but for now I will click on brief report and show you how to create a sample report from predefined templates in COMSOL. So when I click on brief report, you will see that I have a reports and a reports 1 node, right? When I click on preview selected, you will see that it will process and then it will show me the preview of the report that is being generated. It might take a while depending on the length of the the nodes. So here I have my sample report. As you can see that it has the thumbnail. Note that this image you can add when you click on the file. You can add the thumbnail image here. You can load from file and you can load whatever image you want. Okay, so here we have author, report date, summary, contents, and note that you can click, let's say if I click on the plot group, it will take me to the plot group. It's like chapters in a PDF file. So to edit the report, what you need to do is you just open up the settings for the reports node. You will get a lot of sub node. So when you click on the sample title, here you will be able to change your title. Let's say my title is sample title. You can change it to something else. Let me type 1, 2, 3, and if I click on preview selected, you will see that the title has been changed. Similarly, you can change the author. If you don't want to show anything else, if you don't want to show the summary, then you can click on preview all. It might take a while and then you see the report is generated. So let's say I don't want to show the author. Just uncheck it, click on preview all, or you can select preview selected, and you can see that it's only showing the report date and it's not showing the report author. You can also hide the report date, so it will just show the image and not the report date and all. So similarly, it will show up the table of contents. You can go on and check different settings in great detail, and you can edit what you want to show, what you don't want to show. Everything you can do in the report settings. So now, how can you export this? So you can export it in multiple ways. One is the HTML and the second is the Word document. Note that if you export in the Word document, if you open the Word document in, let's say, Microsoft Word, inside of Microsoft Word also you can export it as HTML. So it is a good advice to export the document as a Word document, because from Word document you can always save as HTML file. Okay, so here are the two different file formats, and rest of the settings depending on your choice you can set. Let's say you have a lot of images, then my advice will be to select to small image. In that way the size of the file will be smaller. Let's say you want to send the report via email or something, then you might want your file to be of smaller size. Then you can select smaller image and the image as JPEG. Okay, so this is how you create reports in COMSOL. Okay, I'll just show you. I'll save this as a Word file, and in the desktop I'll just write untitled docs, click on save. Now you have to click on write. When you click on write, it will save your file as the doc file, and you can see the details here, right? So if you want to open the file, I have my file. So I have my black theme applied, that's why it's looking like this. So you see that my file is ready with all the details of my model, including the plots, mesh, results, study, everything which was there, right? So this is how you create reports in COMSOL. So I'll just close this. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, do subscribe to our channel, because we upload similar informative videos on simulation, research, and related topics. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.